Hello, my people. You are welcome to the next section of our lesson on geometric reasoning. By the end of this section, you should be able to identify the translation vector of an image. Now, let's review what we learned in our previous lesson. We have our shape here, a 2D shape. We were asked to translate this up. Trust you remember, 1 right and 4 up. Now let's move on to today's lesson. We have triangle XYZ. We are going to find the translation vector. How did we get X prime, Y prime, and Z prime? Now, at point X, we move either to the right or to the left. So let's see where X prime is located. It's located at the right part of the point X. Therefore, we move to the east. How many times? So from here, we move 1, 2, 3. That means that from point X, we move 3 times to the east. Then how many times down to get to this point? At this point, we move 1, 2, 3. That means that at point X, if we want to get to X prime, we move 3 times to the east and 3 times downwards to get to X prime. Let's take point Y. We also have Y prime here. To get to Y prime, how many times do we move to the east? So we move 1, 2, 3 to the east. Then how many units do we move down? We move 1, 2, 3 to get to Y prime. Now we have Z also here. How do we get to this point, which is Z prime? Now at this point, we move 3 times. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 to the east. Then how many times do we move down? Move 1, 2, 3 to get to our Z prime. Therefore, the translation vector is going to be 3 right, then 3 down. Now let's take another diagram. We also have WXYZ. We are going to translate to get W prime, X prime, Y prime, and Z prime. How many times do we move to the right or left to get to Z prime? At this point, we don't move to the left or to the right. We move straight downwards, right? So at this point, how many times do we move to get to Z prime? We move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, we also have W here. How many times do we move downwards to get to this W prime? So at point W, we move 6 times. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, nice. What about Y? To get to Y prime, how many times do we move downwards? We move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get to Y prime. We also have X here. To get to X prime, how many times do we move? So at point X, we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get to X prime. That means there wasn't any movement to the left or to the right. Therefore, our translation vector is 0 right or 0 left. Then we also have 0 down. Therefore, the vector is written as 0 and positive 6. Why positive 6? Because we moved 6 times down. Unless I record again.